How to clear iCloud storage and free up space. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your iCloud storage and you can free up some space for you. Now, without any further ado, let's move forward towards the video. You need to simply head over to your settings. And here in the top, you can see your Apple ID. Simply go ahead and tap on that. Once you're here, you need to go ahead and tap on iCloud. Now, here you can see the Manage Account Storage option. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that. This is going to show you list of the apps that are using your iCloud storage, and you can simply go ahead and select any of the apps that has been using more storage. Here I'm going to tap on WhatsApp Messenger, and once you're here you can see an option that says delete data from iCloud. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that, and this might help you free up your account storage. And that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.